Did you know you could get a Jamaican passport sent directly to your door in 4 weeks or less? I am Gail of 876 Documents, and come with me today while I go to my favorite juice bar and tell you a situation that happened with a client recently. So, someone contacted me about a year ago, almost to the month, asking for my assistance with renewal of a passport. I sent all the relevant information. The person was eligible for the express process. They had everything. All they had to do was execute the steps I sent. They decided not to use the service and they went into the consulate. Now, if you do not know this, applications that go through the consulate, any consulate, will take 3 months or more. I repeat, any application through the consulate will take 3 months or more, and there is no express process for that. So the person decided to go to the consulate. He told me yesterday it was because a friend of his was going to the consulate anyway, and so he decided to go as well. The application was submitted and all paperwork was sent to Jamaica, except the application got to Jamaica and Jamaica was able to look in their database and realize that some information submitted now did not line up with what was submitted 10 years ago. And so they wrote back asking for the application to be redone and the information submitted correctly. There are many little mistakes that people make on these applications that they think is trivial, but can actually hold up the application. So now he has been waiting for a year because they emailed him and he never got the email. And I made a video about this. You have to be able to receive a text message or receive an email or a letter. You can't change your phone number, change your email, or change your address without notifying the consulate. So it's been a year and he found the email in the spam asking him for this information. It's been a year. He waited a whole year to realize that something is wrong with the application. But a lot of times we just get so frustrated that we just give up and the application just languishes for a very long time. So he has contacted me now to assist him with fixing the problem. He could have gotten this passport a year ago, but now he asked me to fix the problem and help him get the application completed properly so he can get his passport from Jamaica. We are 876 Documents and we have one job: help you get your passport in the fastest, most efficient way possible. Find our numbers and our links in the bio. And as usual, I am Gail and I thank you for watching.